Hey guys, good morning. Also, quick update. Doggy is dropping down to 20 cents. The low peak that we actually had was 16 cents about a month ago, close to a month ago. Let me turn off my music a little bit, but Doggy is hitting lows, man, and Bitcoin down at 32K. Just had a nice little dip right here, but again, Doggy is hitting 20 cents. I told you guys, I still think that Doggy might actually rally. Oh, not rally. Sorry, it might actually dump all the way down to 7 cents. That's what I think. I think Doggy might actually go all the way down to 7 cents or 5 cents after this 16 cent break. I really doubt that there's any actual big support at 16 cents. The only support that I saw was from like 24 cents. And then from that, it just went all the way down to like 5 cents. I don't see major support in any other range. And I know a lot of people are saying, hey, we have this support here at 16 cents. It's one support. It's one support at 16 cents. Just this one support at 16 cents. I don't think we're gonna actually bounce off of that. You know, you guys might have a buy limit in there. We might bounce a little bit, but I don't think it's a big enough support. I don't think it's major support. The weekly supports that I have set up are based off the weekly, and I think weekly chart support and resistance are more important than monthly or daily or 4 hour or whatever. I set up my weekly support and resistance based off of ranges that are actually, you can go through all my videos. Support and resistance is, I generally think that I'm like in the top 0.01% of people that set their support and resistances in the most accurate places. And I'm not saying that to boast, generally I don't like to say that I'm good at certain stuff, but I'm good, man. I'm really good at support and resistance. And like I said, we might have a slight consolidation at 16 cents, but ultimately I think once that 24 weekly broke and we closed under that, I think it was all on the cards, man. I think we're going down to 7 cents. I don't know what else to tell you guys, unless we have Bitcoin, actually close this month bullish or neutral bearish. I think Doggy is headed down to 7 cents, man. I don't know what to tell you guys. It sucks. I don't have a big position anymore. You guys know that I sold everything at like 40 cents, and then I sold everything at like 70 cents right before I started shorting it. But I bought $1,000 on Coinbase just to get into, just to have just to be part of the Coinbase giveaway. But apart from that, my position on Robinhood is like zero. I have maybe like $30 on Robinhood of Doggy. I'll let you guys know right now. I basically have close to zero Doggy on my Robinhood. But like I said, as of right now, I think there's like an 80-90% chance we go back to 7 cents, 5 cents. It's unfortunate, but unless Bitcoin decides to close this month not bearish, we can definitely see something different as far as Doggy or the rest of crypto. But again, 15 days from now, basically, is when we have the major catalyst for crypto. If Bitcoin closes the month of July bearish, there's like a 90% chance, or at least for me, that Bitcoin drops back to 20K 2017 all-time highs. And if that happens, I will probably add even more positions to my short on Doggy, because there's a very strong chance that it goes back to 5 cents. I'll see you guys later.